Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is 7 digital assets to have in 2021. So my name is Mohammad Uwais and I'll go through each digital asset which will be very useful to start in 2021. So the first digital asset is information products. Information products can be like ebook, audiobook or video courses. So ebooks you can upload in any good websites or on the Kindle store to get a good passive income from there. And also we have audiobooks. So nowadays we earn money through audios also. You can go to some good websites regarding audiobooks and upload your audios. And also we have video courses. So video courses means so you record once and you can gain a lot of money from video courses. So examples are like you can upload in Udemy or Skillshare. So there are a lot of video course websites are there. So you just need to record once and you can gain a lot of money from video courses. So let's go to the next digital asset. So the next is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is mainly about for promoting other people's product. You get commissions. Websites which has affiliate programs. So you can go and enroll into any of the programs. Like we have Commission Junction, or you can go to ClickBank, or you can go to Share a Sale. And also there are a lot of websites you can go and become a partner of that company. And so for sharing the link, and if someone clicks on your link and if he joins that company, then you get a commission for that product. Okay, so let's go to the next digital asset. So next is the YouTube channel. So YouTube is one of the best medium to gain a lot of money. So if you are very consistent in uploading videos, then definitely you will gain a lot of money from YouTube. So many experts are earning tremendous like $1,000 to $2,000 per day using YouTube channel itself. So you can also start a YouTube channel and creating a blog. So creating blog also is one of the profitable ways of making good income. So you can do AdSense and you can also promote products in blogs. Also you can put the affiliate products links, and once they click on customers click on the link and they can earn a lot of money from blogs. Fifth digital asset is create an app. So this is also a very profitable way of earning a passive income. So at the beginning phase you have to give a lot of effort in creating this app. So once it's developed, then you can put it in Play Store or Apple Store, and you can generate good income from. So you can create like game apps or fitness apps. So there are a lot of options of creating an app. Okay, so let's go to the next digital asset is selling stock photos. So if you are a good photographer and if you click and upload in good websites where people download your photos and they pay money for your photos. So this is also a good source of income by selling stock photos. And the last digital asset for this 2021 is buying and selling of domains. So you can buy and sell domains. It is similar to buying lands and selling lands. So there are a lot of websites. One website is Flippa website. You can go to FLIPPA Flippa and you can see how you can buy and sell your domains with good profit. I hope you got a fair idea on digital assets to have in 2021. If you really want to start some passive income, so you can choose any of the options from this and you can really go and start creating your income from these websites. So thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.